So, the James Webb Space Telescope spotted something really odd, what looks like artificial light way out in space, like 7 trillion miles away. It's got everyone super curious about whether there's alien life out there. The telescope was checking out Proxima Centauri b, which is the closest planet outside our solar system, and it saw these weird glowing lights coming from the surface. What's making those lights on Proxima Centauri b? Could it be signs of smart aliens? Let's look into how the James Webb Space Telescope found these strange things out in space. People, especially scientists, have always wondered if we're alone. Any little clue that says maybe not gets everyone excited. And recently, some top scientists were really shocked when the James Webb Space Telescope seemed to find evidence of life somewhere else and sent it back to us. The telescope picked up these strange, city-like glows coming from Proxima Centauri b. These lights look like a city far away. The idea that there could be an alien civilization living on that planet has scientists amazed. They're stunned because this could be the thing they've been searching for ages. If it's true, and a lot of people think it might be, it means smart aliens are building societies we can barely imagine. And we're only now starting to see them. NASA experts are wondering how long these lights have been shining out there, just waiting for us to have the technology to see them. David Kipping, a scientist at Columbia University, called Proxima b, the planet with the lights, fascinating. He said it's because its star, which is closest to our solar system, makes the planet act differently than regular planets. Usually, rocky planets soak up starlight and give off warmth. But this planet doesn't do that. Its warmth pattern is totally different from its star, Proxima Centauri. This is a big deal for the James Webb Space Telescope because it can see warmth and check out Proxima b's warmth. The telescope is key to figuring out what's going on with the planet's atmosphere. Because it has super good warmth sensors, scientists plan to use it to solve the mysteries of the atmosphere and see if the planet could support life. The James Webb Space Telescope can even see the night side of Proxima Centauri b, picking up faint lights in space. That's super hard for most telescopes, but this one is made to catch even the tiniest light signals. It's the perfect tool to check if those artificial light theories about Proxima b are real. If there's any unnatural light in space, this thing can spot it, even if it's super faint compared to regular starlight. There seems to be a relationship between Proxima b's location and things happening on its surface. The side facing the sun probably has big solar panels soaking up energy from its star and reflecting light. As Proxima b goes around Proxima Centauri, it has day and night, just like Earth. It gets super hot in the day and cools down at night. Proxima b is known for its temperature changes because of what it's made of. For example, if it didn't have an atmosphere, the difference between the hot and cold sides would be huge. Without air to keep the temperature steady, the sunny side would be burning hot, and the dark side would be freezing. Understanding these temperature changes is what researchers are after because it helps them figure out what the planet's atmosphere is like. The James Webb Space Telescope is great at seeing warmth and can give scientists a closer look at the planet's weird stuff and learn about its weather. Interestingly, the James Webb Space Telescope circles Earth in a way that lets it track Proxima b's day and night in just over 11 Earth days. If Proxima b has an atmosphere, the next thing to do is check what it's made of to see if it could support life. Future telescopes will be looking for oxygen, water, and methane. Finding any of those would mean the planet could have life. Figuring that out means carefully studying how light passes by this planet. Even though super advanced, the James Webb Space Telescope has its limits and can only really study a few of the closest planets outside our solar system. So, scientists are now looking at huge ground telescopes, like the Extremely Large Telescope, ELT, which should be ready by 2028. The ELT will be able to check what exoplanet atmospheres are made of and could tell us a lot about whether they could have life. NASA scientists are eagerly waiting for even better space telescopes. Until then, the James Webb Space Telescope is our best bet for discovering truths about faraway planets. Even with its current limits, the James Webb Space Telescope still could make some big that could shift how we understand the cosmos. One of the main goals for the next telescopes is to reduce the glare from stars so we can see the light from the planets orbiting them more easily. This should be done with light-blocking gadgets inside the telescope or big shades in space, kind of like using your hand to block sunlight so you can see better. By dimming the star's light, future gadgets can focus on the faint light from distant planets, giving us a better idea of their weather and if they could support life. But here's a catch. Scientists need to tell the difference between gases made by living things and those made by, say, volcanoes. Scientists are committed to better understanding exoplanet conditions so they can find actual signs of life. The James Webb Space Telescope gives us a sneak peek at what's coming in exoplanet research, suggesting what awesome findings are just beyond our reach. As we get better at cosmic exploration, we're becoming better equipped to understand the secrets of the universe and our place within them. Even after observing countless objects, scientists haven't found anything that confirms life. Although they've been scanning for decades, the hunt is on. Are we really alone in the huge universe? Humans have always wondered if we're the only smart life forms. That question is still around. Right now, researchers are pointing the James Webb Space Telescope at exoplanets to find signs of alien civilizations that might be hiding, looking for potential signs of life. At the same time, there's a theory that some alien species might already live among the stars, waiting for us to find them. To tackle this old-age question, two American astronomers, Jill Tarter and Thomas Pearson, started the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI, in 1984. Run by the SETI Institute, this nonprofit hunts through the cosmos for radio messages from other worlds. They choose radio waves because they can travel long distances without fading out too much. This makes it easier for the 42 radio dishes of the Allen Telescope Array in California to pick up these transmissions. Even though SETI has been listening for over 30 years, it hasn't heard anything solid. Still, Jill Tarter is hopeful that people on Earth will someday help find intelligent life. That idea shifted when NASA said that the James Webb Space Telescope had found SETI-like lights coming from a planet pretty close to Earth. The JWST is the strongest scientific instrument that people have ever shot into space to solve the universe's mysteries. Launched back in December 2020, it is seen as the most sophisticated warmth-sensitive device ever created. With some of the best lenses, it can see through cosmic dust to show us hidden corners of the universe. Its main mission is to study the first galaxies and stars that appeared over 13 billion years ago. The telescope is loaded with tools that are really sophisticated: a near-infrared camera, a near-infrared spectrograph, a mid-infrared imager, and a fine guidance sensor for aligning itself. Its huge mirror, made of 18 gold-coated pieces, is designed to capture faint light from the farthest places in the universe. It has to run at super cold temperatures so it can spot the faintest warmth signatures from distant objects. Since it got going, the James Webb Space Telescope has sent back amazing pictures of stars forming, galaxies colliding, and cosmic events that we couldn't see before. With its powerful cameras, the JWST has shown us new wonders of the universe. The JWST is a big deal in our effort to check out the cosmic frontier. Its incredible resolution makes it key to understanding how stars, planets, and possibly life evolved in the cosmos. Scientists think that as technology gets even better, future space telescopes might outperform the JWST. These new devices might not only find life signs but give us actual images of alien civilizations, maybe even spotting things built by advanced societies. Till then, the JWST is vital to astronomy. It fills the gap between guesses and proof, making the idea of alien life more real. Each bit of information it sends back from its orbit brings us closer to answering the old question: are we totally alone? Webb is almost 1 million miles from Earth. It sits in a spot that's stable in terms of heat and orbit, making it ideal for long-term observation. Its strong mirrors and supercooled gadgets are precisely set up to receive weak warmth signals, like those from distant exoplanets, stars, and galaxies. These things help it capture cosmic events with incredible clarity. What makes this really interesting is that we might be seeing not just signs of whether a planet is able to have living things, but of actual civilization. Artificial light isn't a natural thing. It would mean there's technology at work. If what's been observed is proven to be what it appears to be, the civilization-like glow from Proxima Centauri b would be the first direct evidence of a society somewhere other than Earth. Such a discovery would ripple through not just science, but also philosophy, theology, and even how countries deal with each other. Questions would come up. What do they want? Can we talk to them? Do they know we're here? Are they peaceful?